Hello everyone, my name is Elias. I'm the head chef of Ayacanta, and today I'm going to show you how to make two salsas. Tomato salsa for your tacos and avocado salsa for your tacos. So to start a Pico De Gallo, we're just going to start getting the tomatoes. We're just going to cut them in small dices. And we're just going to place it in the bowl. After that, we're going to cut the onions. Same in small dices. I'm just going to take out the skin. After that, we're going to cut the chilies. If you want it to be spicy, add the seeds. If you don't want it to be spicy, remove the seeds. I personally like it spicy, so I'm just going to keep the seeds on. We're gonna finish it with some lime, just squish it on top, and some salt. Then we're just gonna mix it. So this is a really simple salsa. If you're into coriander, I will add some. It's probably one of my favorite herbs, to be honest. It's gonna add a lot of flavor to it. You can use this salsa for tacos. You can use this salsa to mix it with scrambled eggs in the morning. It's a really common thing to do in Mexico. We'll call it huevos rancheros. So just add the coriander and mix it again. Super simple, refreshing for the summer in a nice barbecue outside. And that's it for your Pico de Gallo. We're gonna start now with the salsa verde. We're gonna need tomatillos. Tomatillos are like a green tomato from Mexico, but you can find these ones anywhere in any market in the summer. So we're gonna start mixing tomatillos. You're gonna get a small piece of onion. We're gonna blend everything. This kind of salsa, you can find it all around in Mexico in the taquerias. It's super common. We're gonna add a serrano chile. Like I said, you can put the seeds or you cannot put the seeds. It depends how spicy you want it. After that, we're gonna add some coriander to it, just to give a nice flavor. And we're gonna add an avocado too. So the way I like to cut avocados, I hold it with a hand and just go around. Just be careful. You open it, you take out the seed, just with the tip of your knife, and just, that's it. You're gonna grab a spoon, you're gonna grab the blender. I'm just gonna blend everything together. Add all this, a little bit of lime juice, just to give a little bit of acidity to this and help the blender to blend everything. And of course a little salt. So now we're just gonna blend everything together. And this will be nice salsa for any kind of tacos that you wanna make at home. This will be your salsa verde for your tacos. So here you have the two kind of salsas. The Pico de Gallo that is more refreshing for like a summer. If you made it, it can last you for about 2 to 3 days in the fridge. And your salsa verde, it contains avocados, so it might last you for like a day in the fridge. So I will make it in the morning, and if you have your barbecue, use it in the afternoon. Those salsas are the most common salsas in Mexico. So if you go to Mexico, just be careful. The green one tends to be the most spicy one in every taqueria.